today we are at Universal Studios and we are going to ride all the water rides. So we started here at Universal and we are at Fieval's Playland. So Brayden and Nolan are going to go down this little water slide right now, and then we're going to go over in Curious George and play in that water area. Then we're going to go over to Islands of Adventure and ride there. 3 water rides over there. We got Jurassic Park over there. We have Bluto's Barge, and what's the third one?
I forgot what it was.
Ripsaw Falls. So today we're going to ride all the water rides.
Why you didn't ride with Daddy?
We made it to Curious George Goes to Town. Little splash area. All right. Ready to go play in the water?
Yeah.
Let's go in the ice cream shop. Oh, it's the bakery.
Mommy, can you go over here and do that?
Hello and welcome to our town. This is just a friendly reminder that shoes and shirts must be worn out all times while visiting our town. Once again, shoes and shirts are required to be worn out all times for guests of all ages while visiting our town. Thank you.
Oh, Piggy! Oh, I did not know it. Oh, open the door. See, look, it's a piglet. And then when you open this one, it's the elephant. Woo! There's first water on it, too. Nice.
No, it's not nice.
There's so many levers to pull over here.
Mommy, can I get
What's this one do?
Mommy, I want to...
Oh, it's right in front. Oh, it's like a shower. I feel like a wall of water.
Mommy,
The rain drain.
Mommy.
What? Oh.
Stop it. Okay.
I don't know. Let's keep going around. Let's go upstairs. Oh. But you can stand here and squirt everybody, but when the bucket falls, you get soaked. I guess you pump these. Oh, yeah. These go down. This is the Curious George ball pit inside. Going over to the second building here. There's a bathtub. lots of play areas. Just splash around and get wet on super hot days.
It's time to get over.
Huh? Oh, it's like got some laundry to do.
Laundry. What is this?
Extra, extra.
We love the guy.
Oh, the fire hose.
What's this? Walrus. Where's Daddy?
I know. Up there, squirting people. Oh, look at this. You do it. You spray it. Don't. Brandon's right there.
No, he's not.
Yes, it
He's
is.
not there. No, he's not. Get out!
Okay, now I'm soaked. Oh. He got me standing up on the top. He was waiting. Oh, you need a hug. Oh.
Daddy, come here. This is what you
Here's the, let's sit on Friend's couch. It looks like a Friend's frame. Oh, my God, all right, well, that is it for this soak zone. So we are going to stop for right now because we are soaked and head on over to Islands of Adventure to ride those 3 water rides over there. All right, little splash pad. As soon as I walk up to it, of course, it stops splashing. Oh, there it goes. All right, so our first water ride here at IOA, Bluto's Barge. 10-minute wait. Sand surfing fun. Spinning. Baby splash. Some burgers to go over there. We're gonna get soaked. Well, let's go.
Nobody's shooting.
Oh no, nobody's shooting at us. Oh, it's just a yellow close right now. Yes! Blue!
Water, bro. Oh.
Oh, he's kissing a fish. Oh, that's what this Oh, we are so stoked.
You got wet yet? You got wet?
This is bad. Alright, next up is Falls. Wow, wait time of 70 minutes. Good thing we got express. Still gonna wait a little bit though. Alright. We just got a little bit wet. Oh my gosh, that was so fun. I haven't ridden that in a long time because I'm always wanting the camera, but I made sure to bring my GoPro today. So it is waterproof and get to ride all the water stuff. And boy, did we get wet. That was really fun. We got soaked, like absolutely soaked. And especially at the end, after we go down this drop right here, right after we back drop, they got us with the water cannons. Like 2 people who squirted us like right in the faces. Oh my goodness. So yeah, we're completely soaked now. Like all over, just completely soaked. But we still have one more water ride to go tonight, and that is Jurassic Park River Adventure. Oh yeah, let's go get on this ride. Here we are, River Adventure. 15-minute standby. All right, so we rode all the water rides at Universal and Islands of Adventure. We had a really great time with our family. Thank you so much for watching. And now it's your family.